Welcome back for day 2 of week 11. We are going to start today with some nonsense words. These are those pretend words that we practice a lot as first graders so we can become better readers. Okay, so I'm going to show you a word and I'll count down just like Miss Reynolds did and see if you can tell me the word. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Jep. Good. You look at the sounds as I'm counting down. 3, 2, 1. Tough. Good. 3, 2, 1. Mib. Good. 3, 2, 1. Gaz. Ooh, tricky. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Limb. Good. Oh my gosh, great reading those pretend words. That's going to help you become a better reader when you know all the sounds and you can blend them together. Next, we're going to jump into some rhyming. So I'll give you a word and you see if you can come up with as many words as you can that rhyme with that quickly, okay? Can you think of words that rhyme with wed? Wed. Keep saying the words. Wed. Ned, bed, said, led, red. You're right. And you probably came up with some more words too. How about the word den? Can you come up with words that rhyme with den? I think men, zen, hen, fen, len. Some of those are pretend words, but that's okay because we're coming up with words that rhyme, and sometimes they're pretend words. How about net? Can you come up with real or pretend words that rhyme with net? Set, fet, jet, let, get. Ooh, I bet you came up with some more on that one too. Great work on your rhyming words. Okay, now speaking of nonsense words, I'm going to give you some nonsense words and they all have the same onset. So you need to tell me what is the onset of these words. Are you ready? Im, ip, ick. Im, ip, ick. Ooh, this onset is I, I. This time our onset was a vowel. The letter I says I, I. Good. What's the onset in mex, met, mab? Good. What's the onset in pez, pag, pab? P. Good. How about tuz, tog, tough? T. Good. You're doing much better. I'm trying not to give you as much help on these ones. How about sim, sab, sup? What's the onset? S. Good. Okay, I'm going to say this last one fast. Let's see if you can get the onset real quick. Ready? Rem, reb, rin. Ooh. Good listening. You were paying attention to that onset. Okay, now here's the part where we do some blending of our own, but this time I'm going to give you 4 phonemes. Remember, these words are longer than the other words that we've been blending. Okay, here you go. See if you can blend this word. P. Ramp. Good. Try pond. Pond. Good. Felt. Felt. Good. Silk. Silk. You're doing awesome. Loft. Loft. Good. Great work blending those 4 phonemes this week. Okay, now it's time to pay attention to the middle sound or the vowel sound that comes in the middle. You say bad. Now say bad, but tell me what the middle sound in bad is. Bad. Good. Ah is the middle sound. You can say it slow like that to help you figure out what the middle sound is. Try it with the word 6. Ix. Good. The middle sound is I, just like in our nonsense words. Try this one. Not. What's the middle sound in not? If you need to say it slow, say it slow. Good. Ah, ah is that middle sound. Try it with the word mug. Ugh. Good. Last one. See if you can tell me the middle sound in wed. Eh. Good. Great work. You got better and better as we went. Okay, now it's time to do some chopping of those words, but we're going to chop words that have 4 phonemes. That means they have 4 units of sound. Okay, are you ready? Chop the word pink. P-I-N-K. Good, we have to chop every sound in the word. How about wilt? W-I-L-T. Good, that was tricky because that ult at the end blends together. Try it with gasp. G-asp. Good, that sp. We've learned that's an S blend that comes at the end, but they wanted us to chop that apart. Try it with lint. L-I-N-T. Good. Another blend again at the end. One more. Try romp. R-A-M-P. Good. Oh my gosh, another blend at the end. That ump. You are doing so great with those. Okay, now it's time to change the onset of the words. So you say zest. Now say zest, but change z to b. Best. Good. Say best. Now say best, but change b to n. Nest. Good. Say nest. Now say nest, but change n to w. West. Good. Say west. Now say west, but change w to t. Test. Good. Last one. Say test. Now say test, but change t to rest. Good. Okay, now I'm going to give you the end of the word and then add the beginning and then make a new word. So you tell me what my new word is. Say at, add s, at, sat. Good. Say each, add b, beach. Good. Say oat, add moat. Say ache, add t, take. Good. One more. Say it, add qu, quit. Good. You are not going to quit. You guys are doing so well. Okay, now instead of adding, I'm going to take away. Tell me what's left. Say make. Take off. What's left? Ache. You got it. Say ham. Take off. Am. Good. Say seat. Take off. S. Eat. Good. Say couch. Take off. K. Ouch. Good. Say peak. Take off. P. Eek. You're right. That kind of reminded me a little bit when we said eek of what we talked about yesterday with our E that's not being very nice. You're right. Yeah, the E is not being nice to the O or the vowel in the middle because the E wants to be over here. So it jumps over and it pinches the vowel. And instead of saying eek, what does the O say? It says oh, because it's getting pinched. So let's read this word with the long O. It has a blend at the beginning. You know this blend. It's an L blend. Globe. Globe. Good. We don't have to say this silent E at the end because the E has jumped over here to do some pinching. Let's do one more. Ooh, here's the O. What does the E do? O. O's. Rose. Good. Don't say that E at the end because it's a silent E. It's doing a different job. Great work today, first graders. I'm so excited to keep learning with you this week. Talk to you soon.